Hello guys, this is Oof for Days. Welcome to another video on the channel, and it's going to be a new series called Passive Income Audit. So what does that mean? Basically, if I can, I'm going to be showing off different ways that you guys can passively make money. Passively meaning you don't have to like work to do it really. You just kind of just let it do its own thing and it just makes money over time. So the first audit that I'm going to be doing is on honeygain.com. Now, Honeygain is basically a service that you can connect to, and by allocating some of your Wi-Fi traffic through a secured proxy, you can basically get paid to use your bandwidth for proxy services that Honeygain is providing for certain people. So, by doing so, you will make money. And in a way, you could treat it as if it was like a Bitcoin miner, but just using your internet bandwidth instead of your graphics card. So I like to call Honeygain a Wi-Fi miner because of that, and that's kind of how it feels. So it kind of is a Wi-Fi miner. Anyways, we are going to be doing a payout check to see if Honeygain really does pay out for using their services or if it's a total scam. So stay tuned for that. So, as you guys can see right here, I have generated enough credits to actually pay out. In order to pay out, you have to have $20 in your Honeygain account. And if you guys want to get ahead on that and have $5 already in your account, all you have to do is use my referral link right here, which is, I'll put it in the description. So, without further ado, let's request our payout. We're going to hit request payout. And then we're going to do, I'm going to do PayPal. You can do Bitcoin also. Are you ready to collect your earnings? $20.24. Request payout. It says that it usually takes about 48 hours. And now there is a verification code in your email. So I will be right back while I get that code and type it in. Okay, I've got the code. I'm going to go ahead and press submit code. And it says that my $10.24 is now on its way. However, it says that it takes 48 hours to actually get paid, it seems. So they have a payment partner called Tipalti, and I'm guessing you're going to have to create an account on Tipalti in order to collect your earnings. And that seems like it takes a few days. So I will come back in 2 days and see if I get emailed. And if I do, I will go ahead and add that part of the video into this video, so that way you guys can see how it all works out. So as of right now, what you would have to do if you're following along with this video is just wait a few days to get an email from Tipalti. Alrighty, so it has been about 25 hours, and I'm going to be showing you guys a few more things on Honeygain. I also got the email for setting up Tipalti, so it didn't take as long as it said. It said it would take 48 hours. It actually only took probably, it didn't take very long, actually. I submitted the request 25 hours ago, and I was approved 16 hours ago, so it doesn't actually take 48 hours to get your Tipalti email. However, I feel like it might take 48 hours. It just depends. Maybe I just got extremely lucky and they just did it real quickly. Anyways, there's something called the honey jar, and you can open this thing every day, and you could get like between 10 and, I don't know if that says 10,000. That could be European. I'm not too sure. I think that's European decimals here. So you can win up to 10,000 Honeygain credits, which is a lot. That's like $10 worth of Honeygain credits. I have only won 100, which is I think 100 is 10 cents. I'm not too sure. I'll have to double check. But I'll open it, and as you can see, I have won 20 credits today, so you just press add to account. And now I have won 20 credits for today's earnings. In case you're wondering what it looks like when Honeygain is running, let me go ahead and turn on my, connect to my other computer. Oh, that computer is actually offline. So I have finally connected to my other computer that runs Honeygain 24/7 after a little bit of technical difficulty. I think I need to update the Wi-Fi driver on this computer. Anyways, this is the notification that shows up whenever you launch the Honeygain app, and this is what it looks like in your sidebar. So you can see the email that your account is under, how much Honeygain credit you have in the client. I don't think it updates very often. This talks about your how much you've earned from sharing your network in the current day that you're in. I think it's in UTC time, so the days are a little off if you live in the United States. This is for content delivery. Now, content delivery is basically another thing that you can do on top of just sending your data. If you use content delivery, you actually make way more money than you do if you don't use it. So using content delivery is highly recommended, as long as Honeygain has content delivery for your country, which sometimes they don't. But I heard that content delivery is now available in most countries in the world, of course. And then there's a go to dashboard button, which is basically take you to the same website that I was on just a moment ago, just like that. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and get started with Tipalti now, and just let this run so that we can get another $20. All right, so here's the email. It says, "Dear Honeygainer, congratulations on reaching your payout limit with Honeygain. To complete the payout, you will be required to follow these simple steps. So number one, register on the Tipalti portal by following this link." So we're gonna go ahead and click on that link. And you just need to create an account. So I'll go do that real quick. Okay, my password wasn't working. There we go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause this, get the security question down, and then I will come back when I'm done. Okay, I have completed it. So we're going to go ahead and log in using my credentials that I just created. Okay, I have to verify my phone number, I guess, so I'll do that real quick. Okay, I just signed into my account, and now I have been redirected to this page, and it basically says, enter your information, please contact or enter your contact details as they appear on your bank records. So obviously, if you're going to pay out with PayPal, you're going to have a bank account of some kind, so you would just have to fill this out accordingly. So I will be pausing the video, and I will come back when I'm done filling out this form. Okay, I just completed that. So now I'm on the second page, which talks about your payment method. So we are going to be doing PayPal, of course, not Bitcoin. So the currency we want to use is US dollars. Your PayPal email would go here, and then you would type in your first and last name, and then hit next. So I'll be right back again. Okay, I am completed with that, and now it says I am all set. Payments will be made per your selections. If you want to review your information, just come back and do previous forms, or just do whatever. All right. So let's find out how to do this. Okay, so once you get back to this screen, it actually turns out that it doesn't pay you out instantly, and that you'll have to wait another few days to actually get the payout. So it takes basically a little bit of time to get your Tipalti account set up, I guess. I guess they have to approve it or something. And then after you fill out your stuff on the Tipalti account, then you have to wait again to get your payout. So it's a very long process, but if you're planning on doing Honeygain for a long-term type of thing, I'm pretty sure that you only need to do this once. And once you get that done, and it should be more seamless. It's kind of like getting set up with Google AdSense, if you know what that is. That's basically how you make money on YouTube using advertisements on videos. Speaking of advertisements, there's probably going to be a couple on this video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will come back when I get the payout, and I can show you guys proof that it is legit or a scam. Hello everyone, I am back. It has been another 3 days, and I was honestly getting a little bit worried because I thought I got scammed, but actually no. I just got 3 more emails today, so they probably don't do weekends, like they probably don't do the process on the weekends, they only do process on weekdays. So today is Monday, so that's probably why I didn't get emailed till now. So early this morning, I got an email talking that my payout was on its way, and this evening, so after about another 12 hours, I finally got a PayPal notification for the payment itself. So someone actually went and sent the money to me. So this is the PayPal notification. Name is blurred out for privacy. All right. And then I got another notification from Honeygain saying that they paid it out. And it tells me the original payment and the transaction fee, which is about $240. Now that transaction fee actually makes sense because PayPal does charge a decent tax on some types of transfers. So let's talk about FuckerHub for a second. So the reason why FuckerHub costs $11 is because PayPal charges a tax of about 70 cents. So every single purchase on FuckerHub, I make about $10.30. I lose 70 cents due to a PayPal tax. So this transaction fee for this amount of money does make sense. Maybe it's a little bit higher than I expected, but it does make sense. All right, we're going to go ahead and go into my PayPal account. We're going to find out if the money shows up in there. So give me 1 second. Okay, everybody, I just went onto my account and I did find the transaction. It comes from Swarmbite Incorporated, and it's for $17.84, just like the Honeygain email said, which was right here, $17.84. So it is in here. And now you can basically just put this into your PayPal balance, or you can transfer it to like a bank account of some kind. I'll decide what I'll do with that. So this is legitimate. I don't know if I recommend it really to you guys, but if you want to spend months and months and months and months running your Wi-Fi, basically mining your Wi-Fi, then I guess this could work out for you. And again, if you guys want to support me to help me get more payouts or just support the channel in general by doing so, just use my referral link in the description when signing up for Honeygain, and you'll already be $5 towards your first payout. So you'll only have to mine for $15 instead of $20. All right, well, that's all I got to say. Thank you guys for watching. Now you guys know that this is legitimate. At least their PayPal payments are legitimate. I don't know about Bitcoin, but their PayPal ones are legitimate. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. I apologize for how long this one is. Peace out, guys.